The mystery behind two-legged carrots. Part 1. The two-legged carrot. Look at this carrot. Look closely. Usually, carrots grow with one branch, one leg, one taproot that extends straight down. But this carrot has two legs, just like a human. While we are discussing this, we can also pay attention to what is under the microscope. And what you see is the carrot skin, which has turned blackish-brown. Let's continue our previous discussion. What's more interesting is that one leg grows perfectly straight, like a typical carrot. But the other leg is bent. It bends to the side. It's as if this carrot wants to show us something. The question is, why is this happening? Is this genetic engineering? Is this a mutation? Or is it a sign of something else? When the tip of the main root hits an obstacle, it is forced to grow two new root tips that try to find their way down. This is a form of adaptation, a remarkable feat of nature's intelligence. One new root manages to find a loose, unobstructed path, allowing it to grow straight down. But the other root, this one, may encounter other obstacles. Perhaps a small pebble here, a clump of dirt there. As a result, it must meander, twist, and turn, seeking to find its way between the obstacles. The result? A crooked, irregular root. And the good news? These carrots are 100% safe to eat. Part 2. Brown stains on carrot skin. Now, take a look back at the carrot skin in the first 10 seconds of the video. Look at these blackish-brown spots. Some are small, some are quite large, some are superficial, some are quite deep. Let's investigate together. Blackish-brown spots on carrots can be caused by several things. The first and most common is bruising. When carrots are harvested, packed into sacks, transported by truck, then transferred to a vendor's cart, and then carried home, they can be knocked repeatedly along the way. These impacts cause the cells on the surface of the skin to become damaged and oxidized. This results in the formation of brown spots like these. But there's another possibility. In the soil, an insect or worm might have bitten the tip of the carrot root, or perhaps a farming tool accidentally injured it. The carrot then sealed the wound with a corky tissue called suberin. This corky tissue is what appears as the blackish-brown spots. Part 3. Circular lines on the carrot's body. Now, I want you to look very closely at this carrot in the first 10 seconds of the video. Look at the surface of the skin. What do you see? Round lines that circle the carrot's body, from the root tip to the tip of the leaves, like a ring. These stripes are one of the most important organs in carrots. Without these stripes, carrots would not be able to survive. Their scientific name is lenticels. Lenticels are respiratory pores. Yes, carrots breathe. Carrots need oxygen and release carbon dioxide. But how do carrots survive in the soil? It's dark. There's no light. That's where lenticels come in. Lenticels are tiny gaps on the root surface that allow gas exchange. Oxygen enters, carbon dioxide exits. Part 4. Why is carrot skin so thin? The answer lies in the single word function. Botanically, carrots are root vegetables. Their primary function isn't to protect themselves from drought or predators. Their primary function is to store food. Therefore, they don't need to develop a thick protective layer. The soil environment is moist, relatively stable, and there aren't many extreme physical threats. Therefore, a thin skin is sufficient. Furthermore, a thin skin facilitates the exchange of nutrients and water between the carrot and the surrounding soil. This is important because carrots still need to absorb water and minerals from the soil during their growth. So, the key is perfect adaptation to their function and environment. Part 5. Is carrot skin edible? The short answer is yes. Carrot skin is 100% safe and edible. There are no toxins or harmful substances in carrot skin. All you need to do is wash it thoroughly under running water. If necessary, use a soft vegetable brush to remove any remaining dirt. Part 6. Nutritional content of carrot skin. The first, and most well-known, is beta-carotene. This is what gives carrots their orange color. Beta-carotene is a natural pigment that our bodies convert into vitamin A. Secondly, there are antioxidants. Thirdly, there are vitamin C and B3. Fourthly, there is dietary fiber. And finally, fifthly, there are phytonutrients. Part 7. Benefits of consuming carrot skin. Increasing immunity, maintaining healthy skin, maintaining healthy eyes, improving digestion, and finally maintaining optimal body functions. Part 8. Side effects of excessive consumption. The most well-known side effect is keratemia, a condition where the skin turns yellowish or orange. It typically occurs on the palms of the hands, soles of the feet, and the creases of the nose. This is just a side effect. There's no pain or organ dysfunction. And most importantly, this condition will resolve on its own once you reduce your carrot consumption. Another side effect is digestive problems. Excessive fiber consumption can cause bloating, gas, or even constipation. Part 9. Who should not consume carrot skin? There are people who are allergic to carrots, people with liver and kidney disorders, and people with jaundice. Part 10. Closing. Thank you for joining me in this carrot mystery. If you enjoy videos like this, which discuss simple yet surprising topics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. There are many objects around us that hold amazing stories, and I will continue to encourage you to discover them. See you in the next video. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't forget to eat your carrots with the skin on.